welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something different. It's my shrimp stir fry. If you want to learn this recipe, keep on watching. So these are the vegetables that I used. I have Bella mushrooms, but you can use whatever mushrooms you like. I have green squash or zucchini, yellow squash, green peppers, red peppers, and I have some bean sprouts in that bottom right corner. And then my shrimp that I'm using is extra large, but you can use whatever shrimp you like. These are the dry ingredients that I used for my stir fry. Onion powder, garlic powder, liquid aminos. This is just a alternative to soy sauce. Liquid aminos is vegan, has less sodium than soy sauce, and it does contain all the healthy amino acids that we need. So I switched over to that because it's just healthier for you. I have some sweet chili sauce from Frank's. I bought this because it was on sale, but you can buy any sweet chili sauce that you like. I have some adobo, cilantro leaves, toasted sesame seeds, black pepper, and I have some oil. You can use whichever oil you have on hand. All right, so I'm going to be doing a few things ahead of time before I start cooking. First, I'm going to marinate my veggies, and this is just going to ensure that every bite has a flavorful bite. And I'm going to be adding a little bit of oil, some black pepper, and some adobo or salt if you want. And I'm just going to let this marinate until, because I'm going to be making my rice ahead of time. So if you want, make your rice ahead of time and let your veggies marinate. So again, you don't have to do this, it's optional. You can just season it while you're cooking it, but why not just make it a little bit more flavorful, right? So we're gonna marinate these veggies and then I'll be right back with the next step. All right, so for the shrimp, I'm just going to be adding some pepper. I'm not adding salt because I feel like it doesn't need any salt because I'm going to add some liquid aminos, which is just like soy sauce. So it'll just be too salty. So I'm just gonna season the shrimp with pepper and my liquid aminos, which is like a soy sauce. You're always more than welcome to use soy sauce in this recipe. Absolutely, I encourage it if you like. But just for me, I'm just going to be using the liquid aminos. So I went ahead and made my white rice ahead of time. Video is going to be linked up in the corner for Puerto Rican white rice. I have my wok here, and I'm going to put some oil, and I'm going to turn up my heat to high because I want to stir fry everything on high heat. Make sure it's nicely coated. By the way, if you don't have a wok, Walmart sells really cheap ones for like $20. If not, you can use whatever pan you like. All right, so my pan is very hot, and I'm going to be adding only my peppers at this time. And that's because I want to saute them pretty good since they are, raw at the moment. So I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes before I add everything else. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my zucchini and my yellow squash. And I want to let that cook as well so that it can get a nice little saute. Just let that go for about 5 minutes before we add our mushrooms. All right, so we're going to add our mushrooms. And we're going to saute everything together. Now this is a dish that you want to stir frequently so that everything has kind of like a uniform saute. And you're going to be sauteing this for a while. I want to say 15 minutes. Just keep stirring it up until it meets a nice little browning, or however you like it, soft or whatever the case is. So I'm going to add some dry ingredients now. I'm going to be adding some onion and garlic powder because why not? A little extra won't hurt nobody, right? I am adding my cilantro leaves. And now I'm going to be adding my bean sprouts. These can become annoying because they get all tangled up inside of your food and they get caught up with each bean, they get tied up and knotted up. So just a heads up on that. Alright guys, we're gonna let this saute again. Keep sauteing until your veggies are soft, or if you want to have a brown coating on them. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding my liquid aminos again. And I'm going to be adding a lot of it because this is a stir fry. So I want that soy sauce taste. Alright, so the veggies are to my liking. They are soft and cooked. So at this time, I'm going to be adding in my shrimp. And I'm adding it all with my veggies. Just want to remind everyone that my wok is still on high. I'm going to let that cook for a little bit. I'm not going to overcook it. I'm just going to cook them until they're pink. Alright, so the shrimp are cooked. And now I'm going to be adding in my sweet chili sauce. And I'm going to add the whole bottle. Yes, the whole bottle. Trust me, it's going to be worth it. Alright guys, so I am done with my stir fry. It's looking so delicious. I'm going to plate this up with white rice. And we'll be right back. Alright guys, there you have it. My sweet chili shrimp stir fry over white rice. And I went ahead and I put some extra sesame seeds on there. I hope you enjoyed my recipe. And I know it's something different. It's not a Puerto Rican dish, but I do make other dishes besides Puerto Rican food. If you like this recipe and want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like my video. Make sure you follow my cooking Instagram, and you're going to be finding that at Cooking with Kelly Michelle. So, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I'm about to hit 700. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. More details to come on that, and you'll find more details on my Instagram. So make sure you go follow me. Thanks for all the support and the love, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this recipe, please follow my page at Cooking with Kelly Michelle on Instagram. Make sure to like my video, and if you use my recipe, please tag me in all of your photos and videos. Thanks so much for watching.